Food. The smells, the taste. Every meal is a unique experience, and cooking is my passion. I have to select the right ingredients. Cooking takes knowledge, skills, patience, knowing all of the different flavors and how they'll work together. And of course, the presentation, the final art that I put in. To me, cooking is a form of design. It combines creativity with problem solving and innovation. Imagine the world without design. If everything were simply replicated without considering the effects, with no regard for the planet, wasted resources, time, and energy, where progress was slow. Just because we build, just because we create, just because we move ourselves, doesn't mean we design. Strategic design is about accelerating ideas. It's about understanding the end user, about making decisions based upon facts rather than aesthetics or intuition. It's essential to making businesses more competitive, identifying problems, doing research, seeing through different lenses like psychology and sociology, and then testing and implementing innovations, creating solutions to problems that may otherwise seem impossible, ultimately giving tools to people to improve their own lives, all done in a way that is respectful to the environment and culture. Designer is not a job position. It's a way of seeing the world. It's a way of creating a better reality.